Have you ever suffered with bites from mosquitoes, muzzies, midgets, miggies, horseflies, clags, ants, bees, or wasps? Are any of these names familiar to you? I have been bitten by all of them at some time or another on a regular basis. I'd like to tell you about a possible homeopathic remedy called apis that has really helped me. It's June, summer is on its way, and it's that time of the year when all our small insect friends increase and multiply and appear to be everywhere. We look forward to our well-deserved holidays at home or abroad, mouth-watering barbecues in the garden with a glass of wine or beer, or a leisurely walk in the woods or on the road. Perhaps we look forward to getting up at dawn, with the sun rising and the sound of birds creating a dawn chorus, or watering the flower or vegetable garden. Maybe we enjoy relaxing and enjoying the evening sunset with a glass of wine, a cold beer, or a tea or coffee. All of this sounds wonderful until all of God's stinging insects appear to be able to communicate my every move to each other, and they see me as their morning, midday, and evening food source, as they land on me, bite me, and sting me with persistence and determination. I was never really affected by stings or bites until around 20 years ago, when I went abroad on holidays for a break. I needed to recuperate following a severe bout of flu. My immune system must have been low because on my second day on holidays I was bitten from head to foot by mosquitoes. I suffered with itch and pain, and I felt sick. My holiday was ruined. Nothing seemed to help the discomfort I felt. I returned home covered in swellings and lumps. I attended my homeopath, who prescribed a remedy for me called apis. The relief was almost immediate in every way. For 20 years now, I am always prepared with my little bottle of apis. It worked for me, and I hope it will work for you too. See you the next time on healingcoursesonline.com.